garden RVing family. We got the cats making us some food.
Morning.
We woke up a little late today.
Got a late start.
Look where the sun's at. The sun's way up there. Yeah, it's our first night, so we took it easy. We got 7 days here, so we got time. But what we've been watching is Billy Mata and the ground squirrel. The ground squirrel and Billy Mata are getting closer and closer. And I'm worried about the ground squirrel because Billy will eat that squirrel. He's known to eat squirrels. Let me see how close I could get to the squirrel. There's no one. Yeah, that's one. This is our site here. It's kind of tight. All the trailers are pretty close. We are at site number 11. Big face. This is the back of our site over here. You gotta be careful when you book these things because all the electrical boxes and water are in the middle. So you have to figure out which side your utilities are on.
Good morning. I just wanted to show you my finished product. I made potato, egg, and cheese. Letting the cheese melt a little bit. I wanted to show you my new tortilla holder I bought at HEB. There you go. Really cute. Our cutting board. And this is my little dry mat. Everything matches. And I also bought this at Gibson's in Kerrville for my utensils. And here's my little setup. There's Donnie. Got my paper plates. Alrighty, I'll show you the finished product when I have it all plated up. Alright, thanks. Bye.
This is the finished product. What do you call this, cat?
Papita and egg tacos.
This is papita and egg tacos. And cat has some tea.
Yeah, tea.
I got water.
HEB unsweet, best.
And Billy has the dog food over there. And the ground squirrel ate some food too. So we're all good. He just took it. We didn't feed it. What do you do on an island? Eat, sleep, and go to the beach. At the beach, my mind on a permanent vacation, and the ocean is the only medication. That sounds nice, but actually I needed allergy medication because the pollen was so high.
Better pick him up. Nope, he's not having it. What happened? Uh-huh. Water's so clean. Huh? No, I'm not. Try to carry him in there. Alright. See how he does? No. His ears. Oh no, he's being like Grandpa. I go, you're being like Dad when Dad would throw him in the river. Oh, what happened? Somebody is not having that. Put him down in the water, see if he does his paddle closer. Yeah. Yay! Now he's walking. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Yay!
Everything looks better at the beach. Just watching the clouds go by feels so good. We even had a solo pelican flyby. I'm thinking we're going to have a lot more of that.